why decentralized systems always win. Decentralized systems perform better not because individuals are perfect, but because the systems themselves are structured to learn, adapt, and correct mistakes. Decentralized systems, they allow experimentation, they encourage innovation, reward success, eliminate failures, they respond to local conditions, they spread knowledge, and they use incentives that align with reality. Government direction concentrates decision-making in the hands of a few, and a few cannot match the wisdom, creativity, or real-time insights of millions. The lesson from history, economics, and experience is crystal clear. Societies flourish when people are trusted. They stagnate when people are managed. And here's a final insight that flips everything. Here's the truth that turns the entire centralized worldview upside down. Government direction does not fail because planners are unskilled. It fails because no institution can replace the combined knowledge, incentives, creativity, and adaptive capacity of millions of individuals coordinating freely. Freedom is not chaos. Freedom is coordination without coercion. It is spontaneous order. It is voluntary cooperation. It is the most powerful engine of human flourishing ever discovered. And every society that has embraced it, even partially, has experienced abundance. Every society that has restricted it has experienced scarcity. This pattern is not theoretical, it is a historical fact. People thrive when they are trusted with their own decisions, and they stagnate when those decisions are taken from them.